I was hurt on my job and told my supervisor about it, who sent me to the emergency room. I've been asking him, who do I need to follow up with for workers' comp, but I can't seem to get an answer from him. What do I do? And that question comes from Pepper out there in Cyberland.
I'm just glad you read it. That font's real small. No, actually, I think that happens a lot. And you know what Pepper needs to do is, look and find and see if there's a panel. And I think that the first thing when I read that question is, I think you should sit down and talk with an attorney. Because there are lots of things that you should be asking, and if they're not providing medical attention, if they're not giving you a list of doctors or telling you where you can go, then there are some favorable rules in workers' comp as to you being able to go to see your own doctor. So if they're not sending you, if you're asking and they're not sending you where you're supposed to go, you do have the right to go see your doctor or a doctor of your choice. And so it could be a position that may be advantageous for you. And the key here is getting you treated and get you better and get you back to work.
Joe, just as a curiosity, when you have a situation like this, if they're trying to determine where they can go, are they supposed to have that posted, and if so, where's that panel posted?
Well, it's supposed to. There's no specific spot. It's just supposed to be a place that people. It's conspicuous where people can see it. It's supposed to list doctors. The panel rules have changed regarding who can be listed on that panel. But these days there should be at least 6 doctors, and they can range and they can be affiliated now where they didn't used to be. But they should at least give you a list, and you should be able to choose from that list. Oftentimes what I see is that they come in, when they're sent someplace. And actually, Pepper, if you're sent to an ER, that may well be a good thing. Any doctor that has affiliations with that hospital may well be able to be a treating doctor for you. So it was one reason why I'd go sit down and talk with an attorney. There's just a lot of things that could be helpful.